Hello dear students, welcome to our new chapter, that is carbon and its compound. Children, carbon is a very unique element because it is present in all materials like plant and animals. For example, the food we eat, the cloth we wear, the medicine we take, everything contains carbon. Okay? And we can test the presence of carbon on the basis of fact that carbon and its compound bonds in air to give carbon dioxide. Okay? Suppose children, we have to check that this substance contains carbon. So, when we burn this substance in air, if after burning, if this substance produce carbon dioxide gas, it means this substance contains carbon. Clear? So, the branch of chemistry which deals with the study of composition, properties and synthesis of organic compound means carbon compound are called organic chemistry. Clear children? Means the branch of chemistry in which we read about how can we prepare carbon compound, what are the properties of carbon compound and what the carbon compound contains, that is known as organic chemistry. Okay? Children, Wohler was the first scientist who prepared organic compound from inorganic in laboratory. See children, he took ammonium cyanide in lab and applied heat to this, which was inorganic compound children. When ammonium cyanide was heated, it converts into urea, that was organic compound. Clear children? Now, carbon always form covalent bond. Children, in previous chapter, I had explained that what are covalent bond. Okay? Once again I repeat, covalent bond are found between two nonmetal by mutual sharing of electrons. Okay? Now we will see how the carbon always form covalent bond. The atomic number of carbon is 6 and electronic configuration is 2 and 4, K cell, L cell. Now this is nucleus children. Nucleus contains proton and neutron. So in carbon there are 6 proton and 6 neutron. Now first cell contains 2 electron and last cell contains 4 electron. Now children, it is clear that carbon contains 4 electron in the last cell, means valency cell. So carbon can achieve the inert electronic configuration and becomes stable either by losing electron or gaining electron. Okay? See the condition children. What happens if it gains or loses? First, if carbon gains 4 electron, okay, so children, if carbon gains 4 electron, it shall be very difficult for the nucleus to hold 10 electron over 6 proton. See children, in order to complete octet, if carbon gains 4 electron from other atom, okay, suppose children, so there are 6 proton in the nucleus. If carbon gains 4 electron, 1 2 3 and 4, so how many electrons will be in carbon children? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so it shall be very difficult for the nucleus to hold 10 electron over 6 proton. Concept clear children? Now second, if carbon loses 4 electron from the last cell, okay, if carbon loses 4 electron from the last cell, a lot of heat energy required to break these electrons which is present in the last cell, because children, these cells are very close to nucleus and a very high force of attraction exists between the nucleus to the cell. Okay, so a lot of heat energy required to break the force of attraction, okay, which is not possible. Okay children, it means carbon can neither lose electron or neither gain electron to become stable. So children, in order to overcome this problem, carbon can achieve the electronic configuration, means electronic inert configuration, by sharing of electrons from other atom. Therefore, carbon always form covalent bond. Okay children? Now, allotropes of carbon. Okay, students, allotropes means two or more different form. Okay, so the property of element which exists in two or more different form, that is known as allotrope. It means carbon can form into two or more different. Okay, one thing should be remembered children, that allotropes always gives the same chemical behavior. Okay, means any allotrope of any element, they always give same chemical behavior but can different in physical properties. For example children, carbon has 3 allotropes: diamond, graphite and Buckminster fullerenes. Okay, since all these substance contains carbon, so now check its chemical behavior. When diamond burns in air, gives carbon dioxide. When graphite burns in air, it also gives carbon dioxide. When Buckminster fullerenes burns in air, it also gives the same product, that is carbon dioxide. It means in an allotrope, the chemical behavior of the substance remains same and physical properties can have differ. Okay children, now we are going to read about the physical behavior of the allotrope of diamond and graphite. Okay, now first allotrope of carbon, that is diamond. See children, these are the structure of diamond, and in which carbon atoms are attached with the bonds. Okay, these are the arrangement of carbon atoms in diamond. Students, in diamond crystal, each carbon atoms are bonded covalently with 4 other carbon atoms. Okay, and form a rigid 3-dimensional structure. Means and form 3-dimensional structure. See, this is carbon, 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 carbon. Each carbon atom is bonded with 4 other carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear, children? Now, see the first property of diamond. Due to its rigid and 3-dimensional structure of diamond, that makes hard. Okay, you can write due to its rigid of diamond, which make it hard. Okay, children. That is why diamond are used in making glass cutters, borers, in drilling also. Okay. Now, due to its rigid structure, diamond always make it hard. Second property. Diamond cannot conduct electricity. Diamond cannot conduct electricity. Means it is a non-conductor of electricity. See, children, how? Diamond contains carbon. Okay. And suppose carbon contains 4 electrons in the last state. So it needs 4 electrons to achieve inert gas configuration. Now, in structure of diamond, children, all 4 electrons are involved in making the bond. Clear? Means carbon, if you look at its around 1, 2, 3, 4. Means all 4 electrons of carbon are involved in making the bond. That is why, due to absence of free electrons, diamond cannot conduct electricity. So, children, you can write because all valency electron, or you can say because all 4 electrons, you can say all 4 electrons are involved in making bond. Therefore, due to absence of free electrons, underline this point, children. Due to absence of free electrons, it cannot conduct electricity. I think children you all understood. Okay, now second allotrope of carbon, that is graphite. Students, the structure of graphite is totally different from diamond. In graphite, each carbon atoms join with other 3 carbon atoms, okay, by strong covalent bond and form hexagonal ring. Note in your copy children, hexagonal ring means 6 carbon atoms join together and form a hexagonal structure, and there is a layer of carbon atoms in which a very less force of attraction exists between them. Due to having a less force of attraction, these atoms can slide over one another. Clear children? So, due to sheet-like structure, due to its sheet-like structure, that makes the graphite very soft. Makes graphite soft. Clear children? And due to softness, graphite are used in making lubricants, dry lubricants, which is used in machinery parts. Clear children? Now second, graphite can conduct electricity. Now see children, the reason. Carbon is attached with, in graphite, each carbon attached with 3 other carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So children, if carbon attached with 3 carbon atoms, carbon 3, carbon 3, carbon 3. So 1 electron, 1 electron, 1 electron. Means only 3 electrons are involved in making the bond. Clear children? If carbon attached with 3 other carbon atoms, it means only 3 electrons of carbon attached with other carbon atom, and it means the 4th electron of the carbon atom is free to move. That is why, due to having free electrons in the carbon atoms, graphite can conduct electricity. Clear children? So we can write, because all 3 electrons of carbon atom involved in making bond. Hence, 4th electron is free to move. So, due to having free electrons, okay, graphite can conduct electricity. Okay children? Now children, before knowing the structure of carbon compound, we should know covalent bond. Okay, how covalent bond is formed between atoms? Clear, children? Now, the bond which are formed by mutual sharing of electrons. Okay, mutual sharing of electrons means atom will neither lose nor gain. They will only share their electrons and achieve the electronic configuration. And one also important thing you should note in your copy, children, that sharing of electrons, okay, between atom must be equal. Means two atom will share same number of electrons. Clear? Example, children, hydrogen molecule. There is two hydrogen, children, hydrogen, hydrogen. So each hydrogen contains one electron. Now, when they will share their electron, children, they complete its duplet and become stable. Clear, children? Second, oxygen. Oxygen, there is two oxygen, children. Atomic number of oxygen is 8, 2, 6. Now, children, sometimes students get confused that, sir, which electrons participate in sharing of electrons. Okay, 2 will go there or 6 electron will go there. So please note in your copy, children, only valence electron take part in sharing of electrons. Clear? Only valence electron means the last electron of the atom. So there is 6 electron, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, children, oxygen need 2 electron to complete its octet. It will share 2 electron, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8. Now it's time for this oxygen. If this oxygen also share 2 electrons from this oxygen, then it will also complete its octet. Now, by sharing both atom, children, both atom will complete its octet and become stable. Clear? Now, one pair of electron, okay, bonds form a single bond. If there is a 2 pair, they form double bond.